හැමදෙනාම පිළිගන්නවා ට්‍රොන්ට්‍රික්ස් YouTube channel එකට.
Facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, speaking fast, I still roast, I get gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness, hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you are behind a fake exterior, inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior, get off of me, this ain't no humble brag, I want you to hear words, you can say them back, I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head.
ඉතින් අද වීඩියෝ එක හොඳට ලයික් කරන්න. ඒ වගේම ඔබගේ ප්‍රශ්න පල්ලෙහා කමෙන්ට් සෙක්ෂන් එකේ දාන්න. ඒ වගේම ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ යාළුවන්ටත් දැනගන්න මේ වීඩියෝ එක ෂෙයා කරන්න. ඔබ තාමත් ට්‍රොන්ට්‍රික්ස් YouTube channel එක subscribe කරලා නැත්නම් subscribe කරන්න. ඒ වගේම අපි අප්ලෝඩ් කරන නවතම වීඩියෝස් දැන ගැනීමට පල්ලෙහා තිබ්බ bell icon එක click කරන්න.